John Van Linen, New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, and we've found an absolute gem here at number 14 Lorenzo Place, Kelvin Grove. A cul-de-sac, a brick home, 4 bedrooms, double glazed, and outdoor living, well, outdoor covered living, and an manicured grounds. Fence, perfect for pets or young children. But a family home or a couple's home, immaculate's the word at an affordable price. Let's have a little wander through. We know you'll love this one. Well, we hope you've enjoyed the property here at number 14 Lorenzo Place. Now, we've had a little bit of rain, but so I've brought you outside just to give you a taste of the gorgeous gardens and the immaculate section that we have here. A brick home, double glazed, but in a cul-de-sac where the neighbourhood is very friendly. That's what they've told us, and we've heard that from many people. So come and enjoy the property, call Michelle and myself, we'd love to show you through.